Cauliflower. 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 We grow it in Oregon.
Cauliflower.
We eat it at school. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is just so chill to cook with. It's tender and it's easy to cut. The heads grow in these really wild colors and they're really fun to throw around. Today, I'm just relaxing in the Rootopia Farm kitchen making cauliflower tots. And I'm making a lot of them because my friends are coming over to chill tonight. Cauliflower heads, orange, white, and purple, all have their own flavor and style. But I like my cauliflower like I like my sneakers, white with green laces. Here we go, cauliflower tots. Super simple steps. Grab your grater and grate. Grate until you have 2 cups of cauliflower. This half of the cauliflower head was exactly 2 cups. Perfect. And while you're making a mess, grate a 1/4 cup of low-fat cheddar cheese. And then in a bowl, chuck in 3 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg. And maybe a little more gracefully than that. Chuck in the grated cheese and then the cauliflower. Mix it and stir it, and there it is, the perfect cauliflower tot mixture. It's easy going from here. Press and roll, press and roll. I actually find making these really relaxing. It's mellow, just like the flavor of cauliflower. Slip them in the oven and clean up for 20 minutes while they bake. I plan on reheating these in the oven when my friends show up. Baking cauliflower is pretty chill, as long as your friends are nice enough to leave you some.
To learn more about cauliflower, search Oregon Harvest for schools.